How to buy Solana meme coins. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, then search for that particular meme coin that you are looking to purchase. Suppose I wanted to purchase Bonk. I will just simply search for Bonk on CoinGecko and then scroll down, and you would be able to find this particular section, which is Bonk markets, and here you can check out all the different markets for Bonk, and I will find the decentralized exchanges that where I can get the Bonk. And you can also find different centralized exchanges as well, like Bonk is listed on Binance, Gate.io or Coinbase exchange. You can purchase it from there as well, but I wanted to purchase it from decentralized exchange. For that, I will just simply look for the decentralized exchange, whether on Solana or any other. So when we scroll further on this particular list, we need to check for DEX written over here. Like we can see DEX. So Meteora is a DEX on Solana where we can purchase this particular Bonk or this particular meme token. And we can also get it from PancakeSwap as well. But I wanted to check whether it is available on Jupiter or not. Jupiter is also a decentralized exchange on Solana. So I was finally able to check out the Jupiter in this particular list. Now when we open up Jupiter, you can simply open it up by searching it on your browser and open up, and after that connect with your Phantom wallet. After that, suppose I wanted to purchase Bonk, I will simply search for Bonk over here and Bonk will appear. Now in order to verify whether this is the correct Bonk that we are looking for, we will check out the contact address. It has PB263 at the end of its address, and we will just simply open up CoinGecko and check out the contact address, and it also has PB263 at the end. So this is the correct Bonk that we are looking for. We will just simply select it. After that, we can convert our Solana to Bonk, or we can convert our USDC or USDT to Bonk, and this way we will be able to purchase Solana memes. You can purchase any other meme on Solana as well this way. And in the similar way, you can purchase the meme coins or tokens on Radium exchange as well. It is also a decentralized exchange on Solana. So simply search for Bonk over here, and the address also is the similar one, the authentic one, which has PB263. So we will select it, then convert your Solana or any other token to Bonk or any other meme. And this is how you do it, but make sure that you are on the swap option. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.